If the battery in your Civic died recently, your radio might not work even if the car is back up and running again. The good news is, once you find your 2010 Honda Civic radio code, your car's stereo will be back in business. Car radios used to be one of the most frequently stolen components in a vehicle. In response, manufacturers like Honda implemented radio codes as an anti-theft measure. So for the life of your vehicle, your radio will lock anytime the battery has been disconnected or replaced. Luckily, it shouldn't be too difficult to track down your Honda's radio code, and there are a few workarounds if you can't find it. First, try pressing and holding the power button for a few seconds. This just might reset your radio with no radio code needed. If your radio still isn't working, check in your glove compartment for a sticker that says anti-theft radio code. Look for a code that's 5 digits long. Anything that's shorter, longer, or that includes letters isn't correct. If the sticker isn't in your glove compartment, it might be in your owner's manual instead. So check there before moving on. As a last-ditch effort, you can get your radio code using your radio's serial number and your car's VIN, or vehicle identification number. Grab a pen and paper because you'll need to make some notes. Press and hold preset buttons 1 and 6 on your radio. Then turn your key to the on position. After a few moments, the display should show a 10-digit alphanumeric code. This is your radio serial number. Jot it down. Your VIN can be found on your driver's side dashboard or door jamb, or on your car insurance or registration documents. Once you have both the radio serial code and the VIN, you can call Honda at 1-800-999-1009 or go to radio-navicode.honda.com to retrieve your code. You could also schedule a service appointment at a local Honda dealer to have your radio reset. For more car ownership tips, including how to save big on car insurance for your Honda, go to getjerry.com.